Hello, what's going on guys? Chad is here. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, gagawa tayo ng
Cookies!
Yeah, boy.
wow, yan. Cookies yung gagawin natin. Yung favorite ng ating mga chikiting. So, Kikyo, ready ka nang gumawa ng cookies?
Opo.
Okay, let's go! Then, vanilla. Yan, nag-wait na si Kuya Kikyo. Kuya Kikyo. Mix ulit natin. Until combined. Ayan. So, okay na. Set aside muna natin siya. Dito na tayo sa ating flour, all-purpose flour, 1.5 cup. No need to sift, guys. Yan. Then, ilagay natin yung 3/4 teaspoon na baking soda. Then, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Mix lang natin. Mix natin hanggang mag-combine yung salt at baking soda. Okay, after that, balik tayo dito sa ating butter. Cookie butter. Ilagay natin yung kalahati nitong flour. Kalahati lang. Then mix. Mix natin. Yan. Okay. After that, yung kalahati ulit.
tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need to mess with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make